Oh, join the fun, let's sing today. The alphabet will light our way. From A to Z, come sing with glee. The best letter song for you and me. A is for a happy apple, red and bright, jumping up and down with all its might. B is for a bear so sweet and cute, dancing with a happy sway from head to foot. C is for a friendly cow, black and white, waving a gentle hoof, what a lovely sight.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
D is for a dolphin, pink and grand, dancing, swaying, singing in the ocean sand. E is for an eagle flying high and free, flapping mighty wings for all to see. F is for a fox so quick and keen, dancing, waving arms, the happiest you've seen.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
G is for a ghost, playful and sweet, floating, wiggling, saying boo with happy feet. H is for a hippo, plump and purple too, joyfully dancing, swaying just for you. I is for ice cream, a tasty frozen treat, spinning round and round so sweet.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
J is for a jellyfish, floating softly by, pulsing its pretty bell beneath the sea blue sky. K is for a colorful kite, what a lovely chase, flying high and swaying with happy grace. L is for a ladybug, tiny and so round, crawling with its wiggling legs across the ground.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
M is for Mickey, dancing with a grin, stepping side to side, where do we begin? N is for a narwhal, gentle and so calm, floating through the water, safe from any harm. O is for an orange, round and full of cheer, dancing and swaying, making smiles appear.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
P is for a panda, cute with black and white, dancing, waving happy arms with all its might. Q is for a quail with her little chicks in tow, walking forward gently, watching them all grow. R is for a rocket, zooming to the moon, flying fast and shaking, what a thrilling tune.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
S is for a happy sun shining in the day, pulsing and rotating, lighting up our way. T is for a tiger, playful and so grand, dancing and swaying, the best in all the land. U is for a unicorn, gentle and so bright, walking smoothly, full of magic and light.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
V is for a van, driving far and wide, wheels are spinning on an adventure ride. W is for watermelon, a delicious fruity friend, dancing and swaying until the very end. X is for xylophone, playing a happy sound, mullets hit the colorful keys all around.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
Y is for a yo-yo, bouncy and so grand, spinning up and down right in your hand. Z is for a zebra, stripes of black and white, running fast and active, what a joyful sight.
A, B, C, it's easy you see, learning letters one by one, alphabet fun for everyone.
Yay! We've sung our ABCs from A to Z with so much ease. Give yourselves a big cheer now, you've learned your letters, take a bow. See you next time for more fun, our alphabet journey's just begun.